All right, let's dive into getting your video clip with the audio clip sounding great. First off, I added the audio clip underneath the video on my timeline. Now, to boost the volume, here's what you do. Make sure your audio clip is selected. Up at the top, you'll see a menu called Effect Controls. Go ahead and click on that. Inside the Effect Controls, you'll find an option for volume. Under that, there's a setting called Level. This is what we'll use to adjust the audio volume in your project. Now just click on it to toggle the little blue stopwatch icon next to the level setting to off. Then increase the volume to high or low. All right, let's check it out. Hit the play button and you'll hear the audio with increased volume. Right? But wait, there's more. If you want even more volume boost, there's another trick. Still, make sure your audio clip is selected. Now, simply tap the G key on your keyboard. This will bring up the gain box. Now just enter a value higher than 0, and you'll see the audio volume increase even more, as shown by the wavelengths getting bigger. And that's all there is to it for this tutorial. You've got 2 methods to increase the audio volume, and your video project should sound much better now. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one. Happy editing!